this video, I'll show you how to move your files to a folder on your Mac. So you can see currently that on my desktop, I have these files over here. So I'm going to show you how we can move these to a new folder. So the first thing you need to do is create a new folder. And the quickest way you can do that is by pressing the Command key plus the Shift key and the letter N on your keyboard. And that's basically the shortcut to create a new folder. And then you can just go ahead and name this folder whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Photos and then hit Enter. So now that we've got our folder, we're then going to place these files here inside of that folder. So what you're going to do is just use your trackpad to select all of these files, and then you're going to press Command plus the letter C on your keyboard to copy. And once you've copied the files, you can then head over to the Photos folder, and then you need to press Command plus the letter V, and that's going to paste all of the files into this folder here. Now, another way you can do this is if you want to completely get rid of the files on the desktop and have them moved over to the folder, you can do that just by selecting them all like so, and then dragging the files into this folder here. And what that's going to do is it's going to move the files from the desktop to the new folder, and it's going to remove them from the original destination, which was the desktop. So that's it, guys. That's how you move files to a new folder on your Mac. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.